Right. So, a very good evening, everyone. We'll be we're about to start our presentation sessions now. First, we have Kartikay Singh with us. Yeah, Kartikay, you can just share your screen and tell me your topic name.
Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Kartikay Singh. I am from Mobile App Development Group. So my task name is walkthrough of Adalo app.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me share. You are able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So the app that I am today presenting is Money Manage. So let's get started with it. Uh, so first of all, content of the this presentation. First, we'll look why Money Manage, why we need this app, what is the concept behind it. Then we'll look into the some technical part like databases and platform used for the development of the app. Then we'll look on the application itself, overlook some. Then there will be demo and then conclusion. We'll conclude the presentation, and then I'll talk about some references that I took for the application to develop the application. So first of all, why Money Manage? So sometimes what occurs is we lent somebody some money, and after some time we are unable to recall who was it or to whom we lent it to. So it could cause some distress, and it is better to have some application, some way to organize these lenting. So yeah, by frustration, we uneasiness, we'll be unproductive, and that is not good for the ourselves and for our work. So this is where the money manage comes. So our application are following features. So it has the ability to add persons. I mean, the list of the persons that we want or we want to keep tabs on. That if they have lent any, we have lent any money to them or not. So list view of the persons, right? Then the edit or remove of the person. If we don't want the that person to any particular person to show up in our list, then we could remove it. Then search through the person. We have added search options also. Then add dues. I mean, whatever money we have lent to them with the date and name tag. Then the list view of the dues and collected items to to get to the tabs of the previously owed money or collected money. Then we have the option to edit or remove the due. Sometimes happens that we are unable to correctly insert the dues, so we could edit it also. And at last, lent date and collected money date is also shown in the application. So first of all, some technical uh, tech stack we have used. So for the database, we have used the inbuilt Adalo database, and this is my database that I've used. So first of all, users, I have taken the email, password, and full name of the uh, user. Then there is people's tab. For every user, there will be many multiple people uh, uh, connected to the user. Then there will be a dues uh, database or table which has the name or person related to that, and due in the sense ki amount due, and collected if collected or not, or and lended and collected it. So platform used, I have used the Adalo app to develop this application. Now let's look into the application itself. So this is our app, welcome page. In this, we have option to sign up or log in. Then, if we choose sign up page, we'll be asked to enter the details like email address, password, and full name. Then we'll be signed up to the application. Or if we choose to log in, we'll have to enter the email address and the password that we have entered during sign up and login with the application. This is the homepage of our application. We have given the option to search through the added persons, then the list view of the application, sorry, persons that there are, and with the cumulative amount that they owe to us. Then an option to add more people to the list. Next up is the add person page, where we could add a person. Here we only need a name, and if you want, you could add their picture also. Yeah. Then if we then after typing the ad, that person will be added to the database. Now, oh sorry. Then inside a person page, there is a edit button where we could edit the name of the person and uh, add profile picture also. Then we have the total due represented above in the upper central corner. Oh, sorry, center of the app. Then we have list view of the dues and collected items. And we have the edit button also for to edit the dues or collected items. Then we have add due button. In the edit person, we have same options to a name and profile. We could add profile or change name, and there is also a delete button also to delete the person if we want to. Now this is add due button page in which we are asking for the name of the due or some description, then amount, then the length date of the due. Now this is the edit due button page in which we are giving the option to delete the due, then edit the all the what do we say, all the fields that we have added. Now this is the profile page in which we can change our email address and our full name, or log out from the application or delete our profile also. Yeah. Now let's start the demo. Just a second. Just a second. I'm connecting my phone to the laptop. You are able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is our welcome page. If I want to sign up, I could sign up, or if I already have account, I could log in also. Let's log in. I have uh, my account already existing. So let's log in. Here you can see the list view of the people that I have added. If I go up to the add button, there is an option to add new person, and if I want, I could add a profile picture also. If I add this, then the person would be added in the, yeah, yeah, the person is added. And if I want to delete, the person would be deleted. Yeah, I can search through also. So let's go to one of the uh, persons. Yeah. So here we can see the dues that are pending and the collected dues. So in the dues pending, I have listed lent date, and in the collected dues, I have listed the lent and collected date. So collected date is automatically been put in according to the device date. For example, uh, in if I tap on Ola, then the Ola of collected date is 2 days only. Yeah. So yeah. Now if I go up to the edit person, I could change the name of the person like this. So let's do this. Update person. Yeah, you can see the uh, name is updated now. Now let's update the a due. If I do this and do this, I can choose the date also. Now update due. The due is updated. So the list is in such a way that it is sorted according to the length date, right? So latest length it would be on the top and the oldest would be in the bottom. Now let's go to the profile page. Now if I want to change my name, I could change it from here and update the profile or delete my profile itself. Yeah. Now let's get back to the slides. Uh, just a second. So you are able to see my screen?
Yes, Kartik.
Yeah. So for the conclusion, so our app provides a effective management tool for keeping tabs on the due lent money, and we could track the amount of money lent to a person and keep tab on it if that we are when we collected the money and when we lent the money to the person. Then our app is user friendly and very easy to use, and it is very user friendly. Now let's take up for the reference. For this application, I have used the Adalo tutorial video and Adalo documentation to develop this app. Now, thank you. For any questions, you can ask me now, or you can contact me at this email address. Thank you. Yes, sir. Oh, sorry.
It's done now.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Can you just slide up
Yes, sir.
and show me the slides?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So Kartik,
Yes, sir.
uh, this presentation was well structured. You
Yeah.
started very nicely. There was a very good story, and what was the purpose of the app? You explained it very well. Then uh, you haven't used text, but instead you have used good colors to explain what you are trying to fit here. And then there was pictorial presentation for each. And see on the
Uh, slide
slide nine,
nine.
yeah.
Yeah.
So here you did talk about Adalo, but you could have added some pointers there, like talking
Okay.
about Adalo creator, why when Adalo was created, or like that something. What
Yes,
was
sir.
the need, and how many are actually using it and everything. So for your task says walkthrough of Adalo app, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me your task mail?
Yes, sir. Uh, you can see that.
Yeah.
Let me
stock trading app.
let me just increase the font size. Yeah.
Okay. So, see, in the task instructions, it's said ki you have to uh, do things week wise. Week one, watch a tutorial, then choose
Yeah.
your app, plan, create, test your app, then refine, create presentation, practice administration. Okay. Okay. And then scroll down, references, deadline. Okay. So there are no deliverables. Okay. Can you
Yeah.
scroll up again? Scroll up, scroll up.
Yeah.
Okay. No code plan. Okay. See, so that's what I said. Ki that there was a good ending part as well. It's just in that reference slide. Now you said now you watch a tutorial, so just paste that link, the tutorial link in that
Yeah, yeah,
reference.
I have pasted it. So what would happen is, if I, just click on this, it
Mm-hmm.
would open the link. So
Okay.
yeah,
Achha.
in yeah,
Okay. It will do it.
yeah, yeah. In slides also, in content also, if I click on the slide on the content itself, it
Mm-hmm.
led me to the slide itself.
That's okay. It has that feature. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, that will do. Okay, there was conclusion part, and then there was references, and then there was Q&A as well. So I'll say this PPT was properly maintained and well edited as well.
yes, sir.
Yeah, that was
Thank
a
you.
very good thing. And you did explain everything about it in your demo, like creating a profile and then managing things over there.
Yes,
So
sir.
yeah, it was actually a complete walkthrough of the Adalo app, I
Yes,
will
sir.
say. So you completed your task properly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
And yeah, that's all from my side. I do want to ask you a question. Like you, before this, did you know about the Adalo app?
No, sir. No, I did
Okay.
not. Yeah.
Okay. And for managing money, is there any other application apart from
Yeah.
Adalo app?
Yes, sir. Khata Book is an application, very famous application that there is for
Right.
managing application.
Right.
But as a developer, I wanted to, I for a long time I wanted to develop something like that.
Okay.
Uh, because of I was gonna do it in my summer vacation right now also, but you gave me a chance, and yeah, I took it.
So let's say if you are a developer here,
Yes, sir.
what extra feature will you add in this app
So
that will be beneficial?
I will add a functionality to message people directed from the from the app only, so
Okay.
that you can remind them that
Hmm.
yeah, some money is uh, due from your
Okay.
side. Yeah.
Okay. Basically a messaging interface.
Yes. Yes.
So
Message.
at present, this app doesn't provide that interface.
No. No, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's a
So
good
yeah.
feature. Any other feature you are going to say?
Uh, if I could integrate some payment gate through
Okay, so
gateway.
they can directly pay you from here as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, those are very nice features.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Yeah, that's all from my side. You learned about Adalo. That's a nice. Good.
Yes.
The presentation was very nice. I would
Thank
say
you.
and well structured.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
That's
Sure.
all from my side, Kartik.
Okay. Let me stop my screen.
This was your second presentation, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. My second presentation.
Okay, you are improving.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
But then this was an easy task, so
Yeah.
yeah, you will get a good task in future.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
that's all. Do you have any other presentation left?
No, sir. I have
Okay.
not.
Any query from your side?
No, sir. Uh,
Okay. Okay then.
So, yeah, I wanted to ask is the deadlines are given that like 31st, sorry, 8th June, right? So I have to schedule meeting in that slot also only, or I just have to make the presentation in that time?
Well, so, for this it was scheduled for 2nd June, as I can see here,
Yes, yes,
right? So, and have you marked on assign new task?
yes, yes. I have
Okay.
assigned.
So, have you received the task?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So and the deadline is 8 June.
8 June. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can. So you have sufficient time for completing the task.
Yes, sir.
Right. So
So,
you can complete the task and prepare your presentation, and
mhm,
then on 8th June you can present it.
okay.
Like it's scheduled as well,
No, not scheduled.
not scheduled, right?
No,
Yeah. Okay. So just complete the task by 8, then click on new
schedule.
presentation. Yeah. If you just complete a PPT, then you can schedule earlier as well. Or now
Okay.
you can schedule directly on 8th. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then you
Yes.
get the date of schedule and then just present at that time. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Okay.